In efforts to help you better plan for your projects and to provide you with a better overall experience in using Edge, we have added an estimated ship date calculator tool. During the place order process, after the Smarty Streets has verified the shipment address, we will run our estimated ship date calculator. This tool will evaluate the order, taking into account the order type, shipment address, and the material being ordered. Once these areas have been analyzed, Edge will return to you an estimated ship date in a window like this. Getting this information before the order is placed provides you with two opportunities. If you need the material sooner than the estimated ship date provided, click the Close button and choose a Quick Ship option in the Order Type dropdown of the order header. If you need the order delayed due to job site constraints, you can extend the date by clicking the calendar beside the requested ship date field and select Date. With the final click of the Send Now button, your order will be placed into the factory. The estimated ship date, whether it is the date provided by the service or by one you select from the calendar, will be visible on the PDF copy of the order form. Currys Edge is proud to integrate tools like the estimated ship date calculator to help you better plan for your projects before the order is placed into the factory. Thank you for using Currys Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.